Sunday we noticed that the water in Pedder Bay was an odd color. Some kind of algae is blooming. What is it? Is it a harmful algal bloom? Kim, Anne, and John decided to find out what was blooming. We looked for containers and pipettes to use and went down to the dock level to get a plankton net. We threw the net in the bay and towed it along the dock to get a good sample. On the way back, we were distracted by zooplankton big enough to barely see jiggling around in the water, and jellies swimming among them, and the bryozoans on the dock. We scooped up some of the zooplankton to look at along with what we had collected in the plankton net. We took samples to look at through a microscope. We saw orange dots moving around very fast. We got distracted talking to Lenny about the sea cucumber and other critters in the tank. We got a blurry picture of the blooming organism. It moved around very fast. Anne asked around and found out what the thing actually is. She also found a clear picture of the organism, a ciliate Mesodymium rubra, and she got the image from Science News. We took a pretty goal-oriented Western approach to this quest, trying to find out the culprit for the bloom. But all our other relations kept patiently demanding our attention, and we thought of them as distractions, reminding us that the bryozoans and the jellyfish give thanks for the plankton who provide them their food. Even light, the very medium of our storytelling, was playing tricks on us. I could not see what I was taking pictures of, because the reflected light from my phone was brighter than the image it gave. And when we tried to use the microscopes, we had a hard time finding a light source. Light played raven games with us to call us out. Even Mesodymium called us out for forgetting our manners. It turns out that Mesodymium practices kleptoplastidy. Those red chloroplasts are not its own. They are stolen from the algae it consumes, reminding us that we are telling our story on the lands that rightly belong to the Chinook people, to whom we have not yet given thanks. We belatedly give thanks to the Chinook people whose place this is, and we give thanks to the light, the jellies, the bryozoans, and Mesodymium, and all our other relations for teaching us better manners. Hai cha!